You have not committed yet. I don't know why, but maybe you're not sure if we are the right partner for you to work through this Passivhaus journey with you and become certified. And I totally understand it. It's a big investment. It's a big step in your career, and you want to learn it properly. So if you're not 100% sure if you're right people, one place is to look is check our Google reviews. They're all 5 stars. Or you can actually buy the 101 course. Yeah, the 101 course is the pre-course before the designer course really starts, that we recommend everybody to do, so that you are refreshing your math skills, you're learning the Passivhaus vocabularies, that you understand what is a load, what is a demand, what is a psi value, a u value, an r value, that you understand all these terms, and then you're ready to do the designer course with far less stress. Believe me, we've done it now with over 1,000 people, and we know that this system works. Do the 101 first. It makes your experience far better. So what I can give you is now, click on the link below. You get then the 101 course, 7 days for free. And after 7 days, if you have not opted out, or like unsubscribed, then you get charged for the 101 course. If you opt out before and you've already completed it, then you get the course for free. So at least I know then you have done the learning and you've already taken some knowledge away. In the case you paid for it, then you're actually getting a coupon from us where you can get the money back when you're actually signing up for the full course next week, in 2 weeks, or even in 3 weeks, so that you can sign up for the October designer course or any course in the next 12 months. So that coupon is available for 12 months, and you can use it for buying the designer course. So that money is not lost. You definitely already had the 101 course, and then you can actually move to the designer course. That gives you so many CBD points that you don't have to worry for the next year or two. And we as well break it down so that you're actually getting 7 different certificates from us, so that you can actually implement it as well with the Building Designer Association, because you can only get X amount of points per cert. So that's the reason we broke it down for you as well. The energy assessors in Australia have the same situation. So, okay, if you're not committing fully yet and say, hey, I'm doing it now, and you just delayed it and you have not done it, and we have again that tomorrow never comes, and it's rather you're not sure if you want to work with us, then go for the 101 course. Otherwise, go and commit fully. Put in your calendar 14th of October until the 4th of December, you are doing your designer course on Tuesdays. And that is always Tuesday afternoon. I'm not 100% sure about the time. I think 6 p.m. Sydney time, so that our friends in the UK can do it early in the morning. Okay, see you in the welcome session on the 14th of October, when you already signed up for the designer course, so you're becoming certified this year. You can do it. Other people before you have done it already, so over 1,000, so you can do it as well. Wish you good luck with your Passivhaus journey.